Hey everyone, as I mentioned to you, we've been refurbishing the temple and I'd like to show you around because there's been so much support from the community. I'd like you to see what we've actually accomplished here. So let's go in and I'll show you. So what we have here is like a little student lounge, like a little reception area where people can come in and put their shoes. And then we have a place where people can sit and enjoy some food or some conversation. Okay, it's time to go in. Come on, let's go. So as you can see, we've had some very kind and generous donors that have helped us here financially to be able to support the refurbishing of this entire classroom. And we've had many hundreds of people that have come together to help us clean, to help us move things, to help us pick out curtains and wallpaper and all the different things that we've done here. So I'd like to thank everyone for all your support and everything that you've done to help us. As you can see, we now have a wonderful learning center where thousands and thousands and thousands of people can come over the next many, many years to be able to learn and practice the teachings of the Buddha. Prior to us doing anything to this room, I suspect that it had been 50 years before anybody had done anything here. So I suspect that what we've done here should last for at least another 50 years. And there's going to be thousands, if not millions of people that are going to pass through these doors over that period of time. So thank you to everyone, whether you contributed helping to move something or cleaning something or contributing financial support or anything that you've done to be able to help us. I really appreciate all your support. So thank you so much, and perhaps we'll see you guys in a future class, either here at our center or online. Take care and have a very lovely and wonderful rest of your day. Sawadee ka.